So we're up in the turbo. That's what she looks like. I think I might just throw the GoPro on my chest, do a view of me taking off these. I do not want to take them off. No one wants to see me take them off. Mainly I want to do this because I've been so used to this car with the HKS plugs, the MBRP, the engine intakes, the JB4. That's really all I know of this car. And I do notice there is a difference in each map that I put it in. But now going just straight to map 0, I don't even remember the last time I just drove a map 0. So this will be interesting to see the performance decrease going the other way. 6,000 miles worth of engine wear and tear. So while I'm back here, I guess I can show you guys my clean amp install. The Crescendo Audio S1V2 is right there. Super small footprint for 1,650 watts. Extremely efficient on, you know, the Stinger actually has a 150 amp alternator. Plus it has a battery right here and the amp's right there. So there's like not that much distance for it to travel, so. And then there's our turbos. Hot down and in there. Time has come. All right, everybody, so I got the intakes out here, as you see. I'm actually shocked that they aren't as dirty as I thought they would be. You can tell it's dirty, and like more in other spots. These things suck so much air, it's insane. Like, I don't think the clips I've uploaded or anyone else has uploaded really does it justice. So I'm gonna invest in a good microphone and try to get it underneath the hood somehow to really hear them. But yeah, these things are just like, well, I thought they were gonna be a little more dirty. The cool thing about the engine intakes is that I can vacuum them out, kind of clean them, and they're good to go. They feel really good quality too, so yep, they're out. All right, so yeah, now we gotta do the factory intakes back on and tuck away the JB4. Yeah. Okay, so it's not hard. So the reason why there were 6 large ones and 4 small ones, because each airbox has 3 bolts. And then the snorkels here each have 2. I put this on first, then I slide the airbox in. So yeah, you basically have 3 bolts, 2 right there, boom, boom, and 1 right there. So it's the same on each side. Honestly, these factory ones are nothing compared to taking these off and putting the engine ones in. It's definitely a little more complicated. Obviously, this was engineered for this, so that makes sense, right? Once I slid the airbox in, I put the cap back on, and then I started messing with the hose, and I had to take off a couple clamps from the old intakes. I mean, all in all, it's not that bad. You know, I'm not gonna be doing this that often. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, on the JB4 is, as you can see right here, there's a posi tap. I can reuse this. I just need to remove that. There's 1 on each side, and just plug in the factory connections, and then I'm gonna try to tuck that down right back in here. All right, so what we're gonna have to do, I think I pulled these clips up. Pull that one out, and this. Okay, now, dude, this is why I don't wanna completely remove the JB4. Okay, I'm hoping that I can stuff the JB4 down in there. Oh, man, what if they have to do an update on my car? When they do updates, do they connect to the ECU right there or the OBD? I don't know, man. So here's your JB4. Like I said earlier in the other video, you gotta remove these 4 bolts and connect this if you opt in for the JB4 quick connect, which you should. Here, let's just kinda like, everything is hidden. I can't stand when people just do this. Like, why would you just throw everything in here and have like a nest like this? Like mine, all you saw was this, and this almost looks factory. I mean, that's just me. I don't know. Grown men do what they want, I guess. Together, I do not think all that is going to fit down in there personally. And what I do on these posi taps, I don't know if you can see that, man, but I put the base part of it, which is the part I do not want to drop here. And then we need to retrieve this. Voila, boom. And then you just pull the sleeve right back over where you tapped in, and they never know. Kind of the same deal. You'll see this sleeving right here. I pulled it back. We just pull down and then we just cover that up. It's like it never happened. Isn't that amazing? It's a great time for car tech. Now what we have to do is take this and follow it. Oh my gosh. Dude, look, I can so hide this thing. This is the moment of truth after the JB4 disconnected. Yeah, I gotta go drive this around a little bit. I'm gonna go get something to eat. The car needs to relearn that it's back on map 0, back to factory. Oh my gosh. This thing lost all of its power. This is insane. So just a quick update. I'm about to drop this car off for its oil change. I just got it out of the gym. I just floored this car and dude, it is insane how the JB4, this car always felt fast, like always. Any map, 1, 2, especially 3, the intakes and the JB4 are disconnected. Oh, it's a night and day difference. This car feels slow to me now. When I first got this car and it was bone stock and I floored it, I was super impressed with the power of the Kia Stinger GT, especially all-wheel drive. It just really plants that power when you take off. Like the launches on these, I mean, dude, I beat mostly everything at a stoplight that has messed with me to this day. There isn't anything that's beaten me. Are there cars out there that will? Of course, but like on a daily basis, nothing can touch the all-wheel drive JB4 Tune Map 3 E30 2021 Kia Stinger GT all-wheel drive. It's much slower right now and I can't stand it. All right, so the time has come. We're gonna go drop this off at the dealer for its first service, 6,000 miles. I just feel better having everything off there. Just having an exhaust, we'll see. The stories vary so like crazy. Like some Kia dealerships, they make YouTube videos like, come bring, if you're gonna have the JB4 installed, bring it here, right? I wish I knew this dealership was like that. That'd be sick, because I'd have them do everything. Yeah, I mean, you know, if anything happens, am I screwed? I have to get rid of it? No. Trying to like avoid any issues and time delays, because I don't have time to mess with that. I'd rather put money into this car or into my stocks. Great news. Picked up my car and I got my receipt here. Some synthetic oil up in there. Looks like every 5,000 miles, that's not too bad. The cool thing is I looked over every single thing on here and they didn't put aftermarket parts installed or anything. I had a recall on there and something about the junction box, the fuse box, potential fire hazard. I got no notes, I'm happy. I'm gonna go get it washed. I could put my stuff back on it and make some videos. Thank you guys for watching. Kia's awesome. And they gave me a free oil change for someone I may know. That's pretty nice, pretty nice. So this Kia dealership's awesome. All right, man, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.